All right, so if your Android phone has TalkBack enabled, where it reads out loud anything you tap on the screen, here's how you can turn it off. First of all, once TalkBack's enabled, navigating your phone becomes completely different. A single tap will just highlight an item and read it out loud, but to actually select something, you double tap instead. So one tap highlights, double tap takes you there. And for scrolling, you'll need to use two fingers instead of one. So we're going to go to Settings. And here, like I said, one tap highlights an item, then double tapping allows us to move between different menus. Scroll down with two fingers to Accessibility. Same thing, select, then double tap to enter. Here we've got TalkBack. Again, select, double tap to go in. And here's the toggle to turn TalkBack on or off. Double tap it, then double tap again to confirm you want it off. Phew! Now navigation goes back to working normally, we can breathe again, and we're all done. On a lot of phones, you can also turn TalkBack off by holding down the volume up and volume down buttons together for about 3 seconds. Or hold down the power button to activate Gemini or Google Assistant and just say, turn off TalkBack, and it'll handle it for you. But if that doesn't work, manually doing it from the accessibility settings is guaranteed to work every time. Hope that helps. Click that like button if this video was useful, and before you head out, maybe subscribe. I'd love to see you back on the channel again. That's all, until next time.